Are you leaving money on the table with every Gumroad sale? Learn to set up your first upsell in under 2 minutes. First, navigate to your dashboard, then checkout settings, and create a new upsell by filling in the details. Click Dashboard to get to your main area. Click Checkout to open its settings. Click Upsells to access the upsell page. Go ahead and click on New Upsell to start creating one. Type the name of your product in the Product Name field. Then, type the offer text that will appear to customers. Now, select the product you want to apply the upsell to from the dropdown. Then, select the product you want to offer as the upsell. Finally, click Save to save your upsell, and you're all set. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.